Hi! My name is Marv, and ako ang inyong magiging trainer. In this video, you will learn how to upload products. Alamin na mayroong dalawang klase kung paano mag-upload ng product. Ito ang physical at ang isa ay ang digital product. First is, let's tackle kung paano mag-upload ng physical product. But before we do so, bakit ba natin ito kailangan matutunan? Simply because, para malaman ninyo kung paano mag-upload at kung paano mabibenta ang inyong mga produkto. From the seller dashboard, i-click natin ang products, then products. Pagkatapos nito, pupunta tayo sa tabi ng save at i-click natin ang plus sign, and then click ang create new product. Dito nyo ngayon ilalagay lahat ng kailangan ninyong details tungkol sa inyong mga products. Number 1, ilagay natin ang pangalan kung ano ang product. Next ay ang SKU. Ito ang stock keeping unit. Ito ang magiging unique identifier ng inyong products. Next would be the categories. Ensure that you select the category or categories in which this product belongs to. Pwede kayong mamili ng isa, dalawa, or more categories basta na ayon sa inyong produkto. Next is the full description. Ilagay dito or i-describe kung ano ang meron sa inyong product. You can indicate the specific details of your product. Next is the status. Select whether active, disabled, hidden, or certificate required. Images. Pagkatating sa images, ensure that the image is not more than 10 MB or from 200 to 10,000 pixels on either side. And ensure na dapat ang picture ng ating product ay meron siyang white background. Next would be the price. Kung ano ang price na ilalagay nyo dito, ito ang makikita ng customer. Next would be the SRP or suggested retail price. Ito yung presyo na kung magkano ninyo na-purchase ang produkto. Next would be the stock. Kung ilan ang meron kayong hawak sa store ninyo. Next is the track inventory. Ensure that this is yes. Bakit? Kasi ito ang way para ma-detect ng system kung ilan ang nabibili ng customer sa inyong store. Punta tayo ngayon sa minimum and maximum quantity to buy per product. This will enable kung ilan ang gusto nyong iset para mabili ng customer ang produkto na ito. Next would be the quantity step. Determines the step by which customer can increase or decrease the number of products in cart. So, naka-indicate sa example natin, if the minimum order quantity is 3, the maximum order quantity is 9, and the quantity step is 3, then a customer will be able to purchase 3, 6, or 9 items in one order only. Next would be the number of available quantities. Pwede rin kayo mag-set dito kung ilan ang gusto ninyong iset na pwedeng ma-add or remove sa cart at a time. Okay? Punta tayo ngayon sa availability. Creation date kung kailan ginawa ang produkto na ito sa ating store. Isulat din natin kung kailan magiging available ang product na ito sa ating store. And then, you can also indicate the out-of-stock actions. Number 1, buy in advance. Kung halimbawa kayo ay naubusan na ng stock para sa produktong ito, pwede nyong i-enable na mabili ng customer ang product na ito even if wala kayong stock. And then, mapapurchase lamang nila kung kailan kayo makakapag-restock na. Next is sign up for notification. Kapag zero or out of stock na ang inyong product, makakapag-sign up ngayon si customer para sa produkto na ito. And then, kapag once na nag-restock na kayo, mananotify sila via email. Move tayo sa extra. Only tick this kapag ang product na ito ay digital. You can also indicate the short description of your product. Search words. You can type any related words of this product, kung ano ang pwedeng i-type ng customer para lumabas ang produkto na ito. Promo text. Kung may mga promos, sales, or discounts kayo para sa product na ito. Next ay ang option settings. Alamin na mayroong dalawang klase ang options type. Una, puntahan natin ang simultaneous. Buyers will be able to select options for different options independently of each other and in any order. So for example, may binibenta kayong bundle. Ngayon, merong customer na may gusto lamang bilhin na isa o dalawang produkto sa bundle na yon. Kapag pinili ninyo ang simultaneous, pwede nilang bilhin yung isa o dalawang produkto galing sa bundle na yon. Whereas kapag pinili nyo naman ay sequential, hindi pwede na mamili si customer ng isa or dalawa, ngunit kailangan nilang bilhin ng buo ang product na yon as a whole. Next would be the exceptions type. Alamin that there are also two options. First is the allowed. Kapag allowed, buyers will be able to buy the product only kapag yung combination of options na yon ay nasa allowed list. Whereas kapag sa forbidden naman, the buyers will be able to buy the product only kapag yung combination of options is wala sa prohibited list. Pero alamin, kapag hindi tayo sigurado sa kung anong dapat na ilagay, you may leave this as default. Pagkatapos, mailagay na yan, angat tayo at puntahan naman natin ang quantity discounts. Para sa naman ang quantity discounts? This is for wholesale product. So this tab contains the list of wholesale prices for the product. So for example, may binibenta kayong 20 pieces ng products na to at sinet nyo ang value niya at 1,000 peso rate. Kapag 25 naman, ginawa nyo namang 1,500. This is for products that you can sell in bulk. And this is also for customers that wants to buy in bulk. You can add another, you can clone, and you can also delete. Next would be the tags. Indicate the list of tags associated with a product storefront tags in the tags block. So kung ano ang related sa product na ito, you can type it here. Lastly, ang ating shipping properties. Take note, importante na malagyan natin ng details as this is a required field. Kapag hindi natin nalagyan ng details or information ang shipping properties, hindi tayo makakapag-create ng product. First item is indicate kung gaano ba kabigat ang produkto na to. You can select if this product is free of shipping. You can also indicate if the product is fragile and shipping freight. This will be added on top sa shipping fee. So kung meron kayong handling fee, insurance, or for packaging, etc., you can add it here. Items in a box, kung ilan ang nilalagay sa isang box. Normally, it's just 1:1. And lastly, ay ang box dimensions. Indicate the length, width, and height, and it must be in centimeters. Kapag once na nalagyan na natin lahat ng information, click Create. Next would be the Subscribers tab. Dito nyo makikita ang listahan ng mga customer na nakasubscribe sa product na ito. Next would be the tags. This is the list of tags associated with the product. Kung anong mga ibang related terms or words sa product nito. Attachments. Dito nyo ilalagay kung merong additional attachment ang inyong product. Let's say, for example, may mga user manual or other installation procedures, pwede nyo siya ilagay dito. And for AB video gallery of the product, take this if you want to set this video as default. Ilagay ang title ng video. Ilagay ang link kung saan mahahanap ang video. Mamili kung video, snapshot, or manual icon. You may also select the icon and caption. You may also indicate the description of your video. Take note that you can add multiple video with regards to this product. Piliin ang product na gusto ninyong lagyan ng product features at pumunta tayo sa Features tab. Pagdating nyo sa Features tab, ito ang mga features na meron para sa produktong ito. At ngayon, kailangan nyo piliin kung ano ang variant ng inyong feature. So in this example, we will be using the test product, which is obviously a bouquet of flowers. So you can indicate how many pieces ang meron na available sa inyong store, kung anong klaseng flower type, kung anong style, at kung anong variety ng bulaklak. After indicating all the variants, just click Save. And that is how you do or add product features sa inyong product. Punta tayo sa isang product na lalagyan natin ng variations and then select the variations tab. So here, you can click the add variations, write and select the variations of your product and click Save. So in this example, there are color family, flower count, and variety of flower. You can indicate, you can add other variations if meron sa inyong product. Then, if you want to combine products into a variation group, simply go to the tab, Use Existing Products, and tick products that are applicable that have the same features but have different variations. Say for example, you have a t-shirt na may iba't ibang kulay. Pwede nyo siyang gawin dito and just click Add Variations and Save. And that is how you do product variations. Pumili tayo ng product para malagyan natin ng options. Then, click the Options tab. And here, dito nyo dapat makikita kung anong klaseng options ang meron ng inyong produkto. Pagka pili ninyo, just click Save. Lastly, sa Required Products tab. So this tab contains a list of required products which will be added to cart along with this product. So for example, ang test product na to ay isang toy robot. Tapos, mag-add tayo ng product, let's say for example in this case, itong shirt na to ay isang battery. So kapag may isang customer na bumili ng laruan na ito, automatic ma-add ang battery na ito sa cart ng customer. And click Save. Pagkatapos sa pag-usapan ng physical product, ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon kung anong difference ng physical at digital product using our tool. Kapag sa digital product, ang naiiba lang sa kanya ay itong extra. Make sure naka-tick ang downloadable and then enable shipping for downloadable products. Nasa sa inyo kung gusto ninyong mag-enable ng shipping para sa digital products and ang time unlimited download. Take note, kapag naka-check ang checkbox na to, the product download period never expires. Pero kapag hindi siya naka-check, meron lamang 24 hours para i-download ng customer ang product na ito. Ang isa pang difference ng digital sa physical is ang shipping properties. Ensure that the weight is set to 0 and you can indicate whether it has free shipping or not, fragility, shipping freight, the box dimensions should be 0. And click Create. After clicking Create, you will be redirected in this page. First is the Files to Sell tab. Remember, itong Files to Sell tab na to ay para lamang sa mga digital products. So if you're uploading a digital product, this is where you should add your files. Click Add File, isulat ang pangalan ng file, piliin ang folder kung nag-create kayo. Next would be the actual file, kung saan ninyo kukunin. Sa local, meaning sa inyong local device. Next is sa server, kung nag-upload kayo ng mga file sa ating internal server. And lastly, kung meron kayong sariling website wherein in-upload ninyo ang inyong mga files. Next is the preview. Same goes sa preview, local, internal storage, URL. Take note, ang preview ay para siyang trailer. Kung movies man ang inyong digital product, para siyang trailer. Kung ebooks naman, first couple pages ng inyong libro. Next would be the activation mode. You will have 3 options kung paano i-activate ang digital product. Pag sinabi nating activate, ibig sabihin kung kailan nyo enable na mag-download ang customer ng product ito. First is manually. Kayo ang mamimili ng oras at kung kailan pwedeng ma-download ng customer ang product ito. Next is immediately. After ma-place ng order sa inyo, pwede na agad ma-download ng customer. Or, after full payment, kapag once na napalitan na ang status to processed or complete, right there and then, pwede nang ma-download ni customer. Next would be the maximum number of downloads per customer. Pwede kayong mag-set dito kung ilan ang gusto niyo. Next would be the license agreement, if any. Take note, pwede kayong mag-upload ng image. Pwede rin kayong maglagay ng video. And kung agreement required, take yes or no. And read me if there is any other instructions with regards to your product and click Create. And that is how you add and edit your products.